Children, let's continue our lesson, Crusoe's Friend. We have seen this is a novel written by Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe. So, about whom we are talking about? Robinson Crusoe, a very character of Daniel Defoe's book upon him. Actually, he has written the whatever you call this book, where his main character Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. Okay, we have seen how he has happened to sail and how he caught by a storm, and his fellow members, those who were with him, has been lost in the sea. He was the only survivor, and how he managed to life in that lonely island. No one was there, and he met with a person, a tribal person. He saved his life, and after that he stayed with him. So this part is about him, how they became good friends and what they did in their life. It is about that what Robinson Crusoe is narrating to us. So here remember, I means here Robinson Crusoe. So Crusoe, we have seen how that man whom he saved, he named him as Friday, because he met him, he saved him that day. That day was Friday, so he said him that I am going to call you Friday. So he gave him a bed and he made him to relax. After when he woke up, he gave him bread, milk to eat, and even that man Friday followed the way he did, the way he ate his bread, even he followed. Okay, then let's see, after he woke up, he gave him clothes, total clothes. He never have the habit of wearing clothes. It was first it was very uncomfortable for him. He doesn't know how to wear it. After that, when he wore it, he felt good, pride that yes, I am looking so good. So it was a very good moment for him. Okay, he had never worn clothes before. Now let's continue our story from this. Now I wondered where I should make a bed for Friday. Children, I hope you have marked where we have finished. So always I said carry a pencil with you. Where we are finishing one paragraph, there up to there you have to read very thoroughly. Okay, so let's see from this para. Now I wondered where I should make a bed for Friday. Now this man Friday is going to stay with him, it is for sure, because he doesn't know anything, he saved him. So now he was thinking where I should, because he made himself a tent in front of a cave, and he was, for him everything was okay, but where he should make him to stay, with him or somewhere else. Let's see what's the reason. I wanted to be kind to him, and yet I wished to feel safe myself. He wanted to be very kind, because already he had been kind by saving and giving him food and giving him shelter, but he wanted to be also safe. He wanted to feel safe, because safe in what way? This man should not harm him, because he is alone there, don't know. See, even this paragraph teaches us that being kind, normally we meet many people, we feel sorry for them, we help them, yes or no, but the same time we have to be very careful with the people, those who he is a stranger. Normally what this part is teaching us is, yes, you have to be kind. That doesn't mean if people are going to harm you, you feel I should see myself. The same time, both you have to see your safety, and even you should be very kind to people around you. This is what they are teaching. Understand, children? So every part is teaching us something. So Crusoe said, Crusoe, he is a stranger. This man Friday, whom he saved, if you remember, he became a friend. He saved him and named him Friday. He normally doesn't know about this man. Okay, though he is with him, but he should see even his safety, no, because both are alone there. He could do anything to this man Crusoe. So in that way he want to be kind, that means he want to look after him, be good to him, and also be safe. So what did he do for that? I wanted to be kind to him, and yet I wished to feel safe myself. So I made a tent for him in the space between the two fences. Understand? So there are two he made it two fences there around where he is staying. First a fence, after that surrounded another fence. Okay. So between the two fences, you understand children, boundary, what he made for himself to save from what do you call wild animals, if anyone would attack him. So he made himself a fence outside the cave, outside the tent. That way two fences he made. So in between the two fences there was place. So there he built a tent for whom? For what do you call this man? Friday. This tent opened by a door into my yard. Yard is nothing but to the place outside his tent. So which he made a garden over there. So his tent open, face is opening to his garden. Okay. The door was made to lock from the inside. So the door which locked to open to his yard. So what did he do? There was a door which could he lock from this side, from his side. Okay, you understand now how he maintained his safety, children? Actually he built a tent for Friday, but there was a door which opened to his yard, and from his side he kept that bolt. You can means something he could lock it, that door from his side. The door was made to lock from the inside, and I locked it and took in my ladder every night. Ladder is nothing but what do you call kind of steps will be what do you call that in Telugu? I don't know really. The ladder is nothing but normally you climb what do you call, trees, or I really don't know in Telugu what we say, children, really sorry. Something ichera or some nichera, you might get it. So find it from your, like normally we climb steps for cleaning our house, we use ladder, what do we call, steps will be 2 sticks, or now we are getting ready-made ladders in the shops to fix what do you call, nails and all that, to clean our house, because it for the top it should be neat and clean. So in such a way when it is used, that ladder, I hope you get it by this now. So that ladder, what he used to do, he used to take that ladder in the night to be safe. So he wanted himself to be safe, yes or no? First priority is to be safe, then only he can see other people, no? So for that self, he put that he used to close from inside the door, and he used to take that ladder. Okay. And I locked it and took in my ladder every night, so that Friday could not reach me. So he did this, that he used to close that door from his side, and he used to take that ladder also, so that Friday, if he wanted to come in the night, come out to him, he couldn't reach him, because he is locked totally inside. Okay, understand now how it is. And I locked it and took in my ladder every night, so that Friday could not reach me. Had I known what a true friend he was to me, I should not have wanted to lock him out. But while writing this, he feels sorry. Why? Because he said, if I could have any idea about this person before, then I could have not locked him, because he was a very good friend, very dear friend. He became really very nice, helpful, loyal friend to whom? Crusoe. So if I had any idea that what kind of a person is he, what kind of a friend is Friday, I would have not locked. Whatever he did, it was, and it is good also. When you don't know about a person, first thing you have to be really safe. Later he came to know he is a good person, then it carried, but he maintained his safety. Understand, children? So nothing wrong in this. Even Crusoe felt that my safety is first, and after that he says, if I had known, I would have not acted. But how could a person know before without knowing a person? When he stayed with Friday, when he had spent much time with him, then only he came to know that this person is good. Understand? So with one meeting, one talk, we can't decide what a person is about. So it is teaching you so many things, children. We'll continue this, children.